Hey, third grade, thanks for letting me come into your classroom. I'm going to tell you a story today about something that happened to me when I was just a couple years younger than you were. My favorite thing in the whole world, of course, was school when I was growing up. And my parents kept saying, Wendy, you need to play basketball, you need to play softball, you need to get involved in sports. I am terrible at sports. So they finally found something that I was pretty good at, and that was tap dancing. I love to dance. Do you know what tap dancing is? Where you wear those, I had shiny black shoes, and they had taps on the toes and the heels, and I was flap, 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 shuffle ball change, hop, skip, heel toe. It was really, really fun. I loved it a lot. And it became time to get ready for recital, and I was doing a solo performance. So I noticed all of my friends had props with their dances. I had a good friend that got to dance with a hat. These really cool girls got to do this song called Me and My Teddy Bear, and they got to bring their own stuffed animal. So really jealous of them because they were older and very cool. And we even had a group of friends who got to do dances with chairs. So when it was my turn to choose a dance, I wanted to dance with some kind of a prop. And so I got to choose something that I thought was super cool. I got to dance with an umbrella, not just any umbrella, but I wanted like a fancy one. Well, we didn't really have the money for a fancy one, so we just grabbed an umbrella out of the closet, and I did lots of dances around it, and we ordered a costume, and anyway, I was super excited about this umbrella, okay? Well, right before the recital in the summertime, my parents decided to take me on vacation. We didn't go on vacations very often when I was a kid, so this was like the biggest vacation ever to me. And we vacationed to Kings Island. Well, at Kings Island, you'll never guess what they sold there. Umbrellas, but not any kind of umbrella. I'm talking like a parasol. Okay, a parasol, I want you to think of like a Southern belle. It had the ruffles all around the edge, and they painted them for you right there. So it had my name on it. My mom and dad actually let me buy one. Had my name, had rainbows on it, and butterflies, and sunshines, and unicorns. Oh, I was in heaven, right? So I get to dance with this fancy dancy parasol. And my mom and dad even purchased a really special costume for me too, just covered in ruffles. I was completely in love with it. So I'm super excited about the dance recital, a little bit nervous, but it's my time to go on stage. And this was held at the McAnally in Greencastle. It seemed like over 1,000 people could fit in this McAnally. It's a huge place. Everyone I know is there. So I get out on stage. It's my turn. I'm grinning ear to ear, determined to put on the best performance of my lifetime. And so I'm dancing. I put the umbrella on the ground. I'm spinning around it. I mean, it's a wonderful performance. I go and hit the umbrella on the ground. I lift it up and put it on my shoulder, and the top of the umbrella falls off and goes flying and hits a man in the second row. Not even kidding, boys and girls. So when that happens, I'm pretty sure my face looked like this. I didn't know what to do. So I stood there with a stick. I couldn't do what I needed to do with a stick. And all of a sudden I got really sad and I got really scared and I ran off the stage crying. I had a complete meltdown. All of my friends and the dance teacher were trying to hold me, and I ran away, and I was so upset, and I was just distraught and humiliated. One of the most embarrassing moments of my life, for sure. So luckily, a nice person in the audience brought the top of my parasol back to me. And later that night, my mom and I talked, and we bought the best kind of super glue they make. And I helped her super glue the top of it back to the stick. So the good thing about dance recitals are normally they're 2 nights. So on the second night, I was able to go back out, did the performance of my life. The top did not fall off and everything went incredible. And so it just goes to show you when you don't give up, great things can happen. We're going to have challenges, and sometimes in life, things happen that we don't expect. But as long as we keep persisting and keep moving forward, great things could happen. So I actually took that same performance to a national competition. And now you know one thing about Mrs. Myers that you didn't know, and that was I'm a national tap dancing winner. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed this story. Thanks for listening, guys. Have a wonderful Tuesday.